SVGs are becoming more popular nowadays because you guys can just put them, and they're very lightweight on your website, and they're always gonna look good because it's technically not a downsampled image, so it's not gonna be raster image such as in a PNG. This SVG would be a vector image, so that means we could open this up later on in Illustrator and mess around with it. But it also means as a vector image, you guys can zoom in as much as you want, make it as big or small as you want. It's never gonna become pixelated. Whereas we do PNG, it's gonna become a raster image where it can become pixelated once you zoom in a little too much. So just remember that. It depends what you're making this for. But generally speaking, I used a ton of SVGs on websites and PNGs as well. So let's just pretend we're using PNG because that's the most popular one. We're gonna save it to our desktop. Right here, I would never choose this option. I would always go high, or at least 150 when you're saving this PNG. So that's up here, 150. Even if it's for a website, I would still use 150. Generally speaking, 300. Then it's gonna ask you background color. That's if there was a background color, but we already have one set up, so it doesn't really matter. We'll click on OK. And here is how our PNG looks like. So if we zoom in enough, you're gonna see those pixels. So see this? Starts looking like that. That means it's a rasterized image and we can actually see pixels now. Whereas the original right here, we can zoom in a lot. You're never gonna see those pixels. It's always gonna be a smooth line, smooth colors, no pixels whatsoever. But anyways, hopefully this helped you guys out. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.